everyone, thank you so much for clicking this video and welcome back to the Christmas cleaning edition week 1, where we are continuing to clean around the house whilst decorating. So each week we are going to be tackling certain tasks around the home, getting us ready for the big day on Christmas Day. So join me each week where I share with you what it is that we'll be tackling. If you're looking for some cleaning motivation, you can clean along with me or you can watch and get motivated. So we are going to continue cleaning, like I said, and decorating. I'm just going to get some bubbles, and basically what I like to do is to pick the colors that I want to put up this year, and just look around to make sure that I've got everything that I'm looking for, where certain things are going to be going. Sometimes you might have more furniture throughout the year, so certain things will be going somewhere different compared to what you would be having the previous year, if that makes sense. So basically we're just cleaning and making sure we've got everything that we need. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on. Week 1 is just basically cleaning, decorating, and just making sure you've got everything that you need. Also, don't forget to clean your windows. If you're going to be putting up some lights by your windowsills or the Christmas decoration lights on your windows, I advise to clean your windows so it looks a bit nicer. You don't want like finger marks all over it. So I'm just going to tackle that first and then clean the windowsills. If you're enjoying the content, please give this video a thumbs up. And also consider subscribing to the channel if you are enjoying this content. If you're here for the cleaning motivation, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. This month is just basically focusing on Christmas and getting ready for Christmas. So each week I will be tackling specific things to get ready for the day. Like I said, this first week is just cleaning and decorating, and then the following week, which is week 2, will be more focused on decluttering, but you'll find out as the weeks go along. So if you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you guys have already finished your decoration around the house, or you have not even started, let me know. Or do you have like a weekly task or schedule of what the things that you need to tackle? Let me know what you guys will be doing each week. And also, I have put some music on, so I hope you enjoy this type of music. I will try and find more Christmassy songs as I go, but I tend to really dislike noise. So I'll do my best to chuck in more Christmassy songs to go with the vibe. So that's it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed cleaning along, or you've got motivated to tackle the things around your home if you haven't even started your Christmas decoration. But don't feel overwhelmed or pressured. Just do everything whenever you've got the time. So I hope this video was very helpful. I'll see you soon. Bye.